Welcome home to elegance, comfort, and the kind of space that makes every day feel special. This beautiful property features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with an open layout designed to wow your guests from the moment they walk in. As you stroll up to the spacious front porch and step into the foyer, you're instantly greeted with that right-at-home feeling. The open floor plan keeps everyone connected, and the cozy fireplace is perfect for those chilly nights when you just want to unwind. For the chef at heart, the kitchen is a true dream, complete with a stunning quartz island and plenty of storage for all those recipes you've been waiting to try. The owner suite is your personal retreat, offering comfort, privacy, and a luxurious bathroom paired with a roomy walk-in closet. You may never want to leave, and just off of the 3-car garage, you'll find a mudroom with custom cubbies, an ideal spot for a work-at-home hub, crafting station, or just staying organized. And the charm doesn't end inside. Enjoy the outdoors from your 3 Seasons room or relax on one of 2 patios. Whether you're hosting, lounging, or listening to the birds, there's space for every mood. And all of this just minutes from dining, shopping, and I-69. Truly the best of both convenience and elegance. If this home is speaking your language, reach out to Amy Snyder and come experience this beauty in person.